On August 15, 2026, Poland celebrated Polish Armed Forces Day, marking the 106th anniversary of the historic Battle of Warsaw. The main military parade took place in Warsaw under the theme Polska Saw Bezpieczna Polska, bringing together Polish troops, military leaders, government officials, and allied forces. At the same time, a major naval parade was held in Gdynia, involving more than 20 vessels. But beyond commemorating Poland's military history, this year's event was also a major demonstration of the country's rapidly expanding defense capabilities. The Warsaw Parade showcased some of the most modern equipment currently operated by the Polish armed forces, reflecting the enormous modernization effort underway across the army. From main battle tanks and infantry fighting vehicles to artillery, air defense systems, and other advanced platforms, the parade provided a clear picture of how Poland is strengthening its military for the challenges of the future. So let's take a closer look at the military vehicles and weapon systems that appeared during this year's parade. Klecz Light Armored Reconnaissance Carrier, also known as the AMZ Bobrys 3, this amphibious 4x4 reconnaissance vehicle reaches 90 kilometers per hour and has an operational range of around 600 kilometers. Zmija Long-Range Reconnaissance Vehicle, a lightweight 4x4 designed for long-range reconnaissance and special operations, powered by a 180 horsepower diesel engine with a combat weight of roughly 2.73 tons. Legwan Light Reconnaissance Vehicle, a highly mobile 4x4 armored vehicle powered by a 225 horsepower diesel engine, capable of 130 kilometers per hour with a range exceeding 500 kilometers. MATV MRAP, an American mine-resistant tactical vehicle designed to combine MRAP protection with strong off-road mobility. It uses a 370 horsepower engine. Naval Strike Missile Coastal Defense System, a mobile coastal defense system using the NSM anti-ship missile designed for precision strikes against hostile surface vessels and coastal targets. Zawolek Command Vehicle, a new Polish tactical command vehicle based on the 8x8 Rosomak platform, equipped with secure digital communications and command and control systems for mobile battlefield headquarters. Rosomak ZSSW-30, an 8x8 Rosomak fitted with the remotely operated ZSSSW-30 turret, armed with a 30mm Bushmaster 2 cannon and Spike LR anti-tank missiles. Pilacha Air Defense System Angelsk 442.32 vehicle, a Polish very short-range air defense system combining 23mm twin cannons with Grompiran missiles transported by the Jelks 442.32 4x4 truck. Homar-K multiple launch rocket system, Poland's version of the South Korean K-239 Chunmo, mounted on a Jelchi 8x8 chassis and capable of firing precision rockets to 80 kilometers and tactical missiles to about 290 kilometers. M142 HIMARS, an American highly mobile rocket artillery system. Poland operates it with GMLRs and ATACMS, providing precision strike capability from roughly 70 kilometers up to 300 kilometers depending on ammunition. Rosomak S, a specialized Rosomak 8x8 designed to transport Spike LR anti-tank missile teams, with a top road speed of 100 kilometers per hour and range of 500-700 kilometers. WR-40 Langusta, a Polish 122mm multiple launch rocket system mounted on a Jelt 6x6 chassis, It carries 40 rocket tubes and can engage targets at ranges of up to approximately 40 kilometers, depending on the ammunition used. Krab 155mm self-propelled howitzer. Poland's tracked 155mm self-propelled artillery system, combining long-range NATO standard firepower with a 1,000 horsepower engine and modern fire control systems. Warmate 5, a Polish long-range loitering munition capable of striking targets at around 100 kilometers, carrying interchangeable 5-10 kilograms warheads including HE fragmentation, thermobaric, and anti-armor types. FT-5 SAR tactical aerial platform, a Polish reconnaissance UAV equipped with a synthetic aperture radar, allowing it to detect and track targets as part of the GLADIUS reconnaissance strike system. GLADIUS System Plus Orbiter 2B. GLADIUS is a Polish networked reconnaissance and strike system integrating UAVs, command vehicles, and loitering munitions through the Topaz battle management system, providing reconnaissance and precision strike capabilities at long range. Kuna unmanned, multi-purpose ground platform, unmanned ground vehicle designed for reconnaissance, logistics, and combat support. It can also carry a remotely operated 12.7mm weapon station. M1A2 ZPV-3 Abrams, one of Poland's newest main battle tanks, armed with the 120mm M256 smoothbore gun and powered by a 1,500 horsepower gas turbine engine. Homar-K is Poland's expanded HIMARS program, integrating the American launcher with Polish systems. It provides precision strikes from around 70 kilometers with GMLRS to 300 kilometers with ATACMS. Poland's modernized Leopard 2 A4 main battle tank, armed with a 120mm Rheinmetall L44 cannon, and powered by a 1,500 horsepower diesel engine reaching about 68 kilometers per hour. K2 GF Black Panther, the South Korean-built main battle tank operated by Poland, armed with a 120mm L55 smoothbore gun and powered by a 1,500 HP engine, giving it a top speed of around 70 kilometers per hour. Daglesia P PFM pontoon bridge system, a Polish military engineering system designed to rapidly deploy floating bridges and ferry crossings, allowing heavy military vehicles to cross rivers and other water obstacles. Baobab-K scattered mine-laying system is a Polish automated mine layer mounted on a Jelcz 8x8 truck carrying up to 600 programmable anti-tank mines that can be rapidly dispersed while the vehicle is moving.